Hi, it's Whitney at the Homeschool Classroom. Today we're going to talk about author studies. An author study is when you choose multiple works by the same author. So this can be done in elementary, it can be done in middle school or high school. You just need to find an author who's written multiple books and kind of dig into those books. So some of my favorites are Kevin Henkes, David Shannon, Jan Brett, Laura Numeroff, Eric Carle. Several years ago, we did an author study of Eric Carle. Most of you probably know him from The Very Hungry Caterpillar, but he's done a ton of books. And so we actually read a lot of his books, discussed the similarities and the differences between them. And then we went to his website. It's really cool that most authors actually have a website. You can find their autobiography on there. Some have games on there, like literacy games. They just have a ton of information on there that might give their technique or different things when it comes to their artwork. And so on Eric Carle's website, he has directions on how to create his collage artwork that he does in his books. So one year when we did that study, we were actually also studying ocean animals, and the kids were doing a little report on that. And so we took his art technique and we integrated it into our ocean studies animal. So the kids wrote a little report about the animal that they were choosing, but then they created an art piece in Eric Carle's style with collage from tissue paper. And so that was really fun. It doesn't have to actually be something where you stick with just literacy. You can integrate it like I did in that area where you're just taking maybe something you learned about their illustration technique and apply it to a different area. So that's really fun. And then also on their website, a lot of times when they give their autobiography, it's amazing to see how many actually struggled with reading as a kid. And so that can be really encouraging for your child if they're struggling to see, oh, you know what, this person is, well known, they're successful, they're actually doing something that was hard for them at one point. And so learning that about that author is really encouraging for those students. So I hope you are encouraged to give an author study a try. It's really easy to just go to the library and pick up several copies. If you don't have certain copies at the library that you want to use, go to YouTube. Check out, there are a lot of readings where people are just reading the book and showing the illustrations. And so you're not limited to what you can find at your library or what you can buy. Search YouTube and do it that way. So I hope you guys give it a try, and thanks for watching.